Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to open a Revolut account in Italy. So let's get started. First, open the Revolut app, click Sign Up, and select your country. Choose Italy. Then, enter your mobile number. After typing your number, you'll receive a verification code. Enter the code to continue, and you'll be asked if you want to turn on notifications. Next, fill in your details, your country, home address, full name, date of birth, and email address. You'll then be asked to take a quick selfie for identity verification. If you're from the US or Canada, you'll also need to provide your social security number. Finally, choose your reason for using Revolut, like saving, payments, travel, or investing. And that's it. You've successfully opened your Revolut account in Italy. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.